Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and I'm really excited to share this video with you because this one property has always been on my bucket list and let's check it out today. So we are starting our journey from Malé International Airport, Maldives, and we are going to take a very short boat ride to this place. Today I'm taking you along to one of the most iconic luxury resorts in Maldives, Taj Exotica Resort and Spa. The journey begins with a short speedboat ride, barely 15 minutes from the airport. The property offers a chauffeur service which will handle all your boarding and your luggages for you. And they were very well trained and they were very polite. They just made the experience a whole lot better from the moment it started. As the island slowly comes into our view, we just know that we're in for something special. From the moment we stepped onto the jetty, the hospitality is unmistakably Taj. They had warm smiles, refreshing welcome drink, cool towels. Every detail feels very thoughtful. And one thing that immediately stands out is how immaculately clean and well maintained the entire island is. The pathways, the beaches, even the greenery, everything looked pristine. And once we entered the reception, we were immediately met by our personal butler because we had made a booking for a water villa which comes with a personal concierge service. He gave a small orientation and he gave the details about the amenities that are present on the island. And it was a very cozy environment. The weather was also very favorable to us, and we took a short ride to our water villa. So this is my first time staying in a water villa despite being in Maldives for last 2 years. Water villas are expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but the price will vary depending on the season, so you have to check it out. And let's find out if the price is worth or not today. Now we are heading out to see our villa, and trust me, this is where the magic truly begins. I was impressed the moment we stepped into the water villa area because it was so beautifully designed, and every one of us get a separate villa. The first selling point for me was the bathroom. As soon as you enter the villa, there is this luxurious bathroom stocked with amenities, and from there you can enter the main room where we can see a very big TV, fully furnished with all amenities such as a coffee bar, an espresso machine, and a mini bar fully stocked. They also left us a welcome note with welcome snacks, which tasted really good, I should say. The room is really spacious. It feels very airy, very calm, and incredibly private. There were good interiors. The decor was really good, and the floor to ceiling views of the ocean was amazing. And from our bed, we can get a clear view of the outside area, deck area, where we can see our own pool and lawn chairs. We also have direct access to the ocean if we want to swim. It also has a coffee table which is perfect for morning coffee or your sunset views. From the private deck, we can directly access the shower if you want to take a shower after going to the ocean, and that leads us to our bathtub again. The bathtub has a view of the ocean, and it's really luxury redefined. They also have a private washroom area, and the towels were all stocked really clean, I should really appreciate the amenities provided because it was all of very high quality. And for storage, they provided us with an iron board and ample storage space. We have two closets here, one with a safe, which was very good. And as I said before, we have direct access to the ocean. But the day that we went, we had a red flag hoisted, which means there is no permission to swim because the water levels were a little bit high. So that will be communicated with the flags that are flying near the water villa area. And once we are settled, we are off to find food like cavemen. And dining at Taj is an experience in itself. They do have options of a lot of different restaurants, and they do have international cuisines to Indian specialties. Every meal is crafted with finesse, and everything is really fresh. We had an amazing continental breakfast at this restaurant called 24 Degrees, and we were off to explore the island. They do offer extra water activities like kayaking, boat ride, and stuff. So you can inquire about it in the reception. And they do have a separate reading space where you can spend time reading books. The sunset here is to die for. It is really beautiful, and we spent 2 days here, which was really amazing. They do have a selection of bars and lounges where you can just spend your time relaxing. And if you're spending time in Taj, do not forget to ask about the photography service that they offer. Every room, I think water villas, or I'm not aware if every room comes with it, but they do have a free photograph session provided as an additional amenity, so you can check it out. The photographer did a really good job, and we were very happy with the way that our photos turned out. And as the night set in, the property becomes just more magical somehow. And we were able to watch the moonlight from our private deck, and it was really a once in a lifetime experience. For dinner, we went to this Mediterranean restaurant by Jeffrey Villa, who is apparently a celebrity chef, and the food was amazing. I cannot describe it in any other way. It was really good. And we started our next day with the visit to the gym, which had an amazing sea view. Overall, if I have to describe my experience in one sentence, this is more than just a resort stay. I would say this is the one room in my travel experience that I had zero complaints about. Everything was on point, right from the room service and to the concierge service to the wine sommelier and the food. Everything was on point. There was nothing to complain about, and this is a experience that everybody should have once in a lifetime. And if you're considering to have your honeymoon in Maldives, I think this would be a perfect choice because this was the most amazing property that I've ever stayed at, and every penny is completely worth it if you're planning to stay here. We are definitely going to miss the staff and their hospitality, and I can't wait to visit here again. Thank you for spending the day with me at Taj Exotica. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.